Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making sunglasses royal icing transfers to put on my son cookies. The transfer sheet will be available at my website at www.l-treats.com. And I wanted my sunglasses to be a little bit bigger than what comes on the royal icing transfer sheet, which is about 1¼ inches. So I enlarged it on the copy machine and made them a little bigger. And I'm just going to outline the lenses with black royal icing and flood that in. My icing is about a 20-second consistency, and then I'll use my scribe to smooth it out and shape it. And here I'm just doing a couple of heart-shaped ones. I'm not sure which ones I want to use, but I think I'm going to just use the regular shaped sunglasses for these sun cookies. So I let the lenses dry for about 10 to 20 minutes. I don't want the black icing to bleed into my sunglass frames. And now I'm just going to go back in with a detailed consistency blue royal icing and outline the frames. I'll use my scribe to shape them as needed, and then I'll set these aside to dry completely. It usually takes at least 8 hours, if not overnight. And the best thing about royal icing transfer sheets is there are no craters that you have to worry about. Once they're dry, you can just pop them off of your transfer sheet and attach the royal icing transfers to the cookies with just a dab of royal icing on the back. I think it really elevated these suns. If you want to see a video on how I made those, see the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. I have new content for you every day.